It's really deep. Alright, so we decided to come up to Snoqualmie Pass today, but the pass is closed, so we are at the point of no return. We're going to turn around and head back down. It's very snowy. It's a true blizzard out here, but the Jeep has done very well in the snow. Very happy with everything except the windshield wipers, which require the defrost to be on full in order for them to work. Okay, so it turns out the pass is closed behind us, so we're gonna go for it, try to get to the top. But right now we see a bunch of trucks, and it may be that the road is blocked. Avalanche. Between the Subarus, yeah, between the snowplow and the cars.
The Subarus are stuck.
That's a lot of snow.
Look at all this. Look at this.
Oh man, that is deep. Holy cow. Go to the other parking lot? Oh, maybe you can.
You can. Just can't see right below it.
Yeah.
It's clearing off. Nobody's been up through here.
There's 1% of tracks.
That's gotta be, that is really
That's deep. It's like a foot in snow.
Yeah. Stop on the hill.
Probably not. Oh, there's nobody up here.
Oh.
Wow.
I can't even see where the...
I can't see the edges. Man, it is just bright white. That is nuts. Oh, that thing's going through it like nothing. Alright, let's see it.
Subaru's stuck. Right there.
Right there.
You go around them.
Hey, donuts around it. Just rub it in. Rub it on the ice. Yeah, you wouldn't even know it.
Look how deep this is.
It's very, very deep. It's a parking spot. There's snow next to it. That's clear to my hand. It's over there. It was clear to my hand.
Right here?
Yes. Those little drifts on the right were clear to my hand. Hanging on the side of the door. Well, I know what you wanted. Oh, this is snow. It's really deep.
All
My
these
face
people
is all
in
red.
Jeeps and stuff, you ever notice they just stop? Like even when we're up at Mount Rainier with the truck,
Uh-huh.
they just all stop and start walking in. We went farther.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
We went hiking up there at Carbonado.
At Carbonado, yeah.
It's only one Jeep that went a little ways.
When we were up here this summer, it was wall-to-wall people. Couldn't even find a spot of beach to yourselves. Well, almost got stuck. I think we're getting out. Oh, there we go. There was some back and forth that happened here. Oh, I thought he was getting out of there. Now he's trying to get himself more stuck. Alright, we're free. We came in here no problem, but then trying to turn around wasn't looking good. Okay. The snow's a little deep.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out of that.
Oh, it's pretty close. Well, are you happy you almost got stuck for the first time?
Well, I'm happy we got out.
Okay.
Have to winch.
That's some deep snow over there. It's not as cold up here without the wind coming off the lake. Big towers. Not even a problem. Look at that.
Well, that wasn't any problem.
That wasn't any problem. Look at you. It was just went right up and over.
Yeah.